In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a chart, such as a time series or a table, into your report effectively. Whether you're presenting this to your team, your stakeholders, or just keeping track of personal data metrics, having a visually appealing and informative chart can make all the difference. So, let's break this down step by step to ensure your chart not only looks good, but also serves its purpose. First, once you've decided on the type of chart you want to include in your report, you'll want to navigate to the chart's Setup panel. This is where you'll begin configuring the chart to best display your data. It's essentially your control center, so take a minute to familiarize yourself with the options available here. Understanding these options will give you the flexibility to tailor your chart exactly to your needs. From the Setup panel, you'll need to scroll to the default date range. This selection is crucial because it defines the period that your chart will initially display. Now, to add even more depth and context to your report, you'll want to adjust the comparison date range. This is where you can opt to compare your current data to data from the same period in the previous year. Choosing something like previous year helps to highlight any trends or changes over time and gives your insights more relevance and depth. Alternatively, you can manually set the same period from the year before if the auto options don't quite fit your requirements. This feature is incredibly useful for year-over-year analyses and can provide you with unexpected insights into your data. Once you've set this up, your chart will showcase the current period while simultaneously displaying the performance from last year. Often, it will also display the percentage change, offering a quick snapshot of how things have evolved. This can be particularly beneficial if you're looking to present growth or identify areas that might need improvement. Remember, data on its own can only tell you so much, but when you compare it with historical data, patterns begin to emerge. Furthermore, ensuring your date dimension is appropriate cannot be overstressed. Commonly, you'll want this set to a date field to maintain consistency in how your chart interprets and displays the data over time. Additionally, using Auto for the date range allows the chart to be dynamic and governed by your controls. This means as you or your viewers adjust the control settings, the chart will update accordingly, ensuring the most relevant and up-to-date information is always at your fingertips without additional hassle. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to add and configure a chart in your report that speaks volumes more than words alone ever could. Charts are an excellent tool to make data more digestible and highlight the most critical insights buried within your datasets. Feel free to experiment and tweak these settings to find what works best for your specific reporting needs. Thanks for watching, and happy charting!